Hello students, welcome to my next YouTube class. So this is the continuation video on the previous chapter percentage. So in my previous class we have solved few questions from exercise 10.1, right? So we are going to continue this video lesson from the same exercise. So question number 6, a worker receives 11,250 as a bonus, which is 15% of his annual salary. Okay, so this is the bonus, and whatever his 1 year salary, 15% of that 1 year salary is this bonus. Okay, we have to calculate here its monthly salary, right? So let us consider the annual salary be x. In 1 year, let us the salary of that person be x. So 15% of that 1 year salary is this bonus as per the question. So 15% is 15 by 100 into x equals to 11250. If you cross multiply, you see what we will be getting here. 11250 into 100 divided by 15, right? So when you calculate here 1575 11250, when you cancel, okay, calculation you can do by yourself. You can reduce by 5 or you can divide this one, right? So after dividing, what will get here? 75,000. That means 75,000 is the annual salary. That means in 1 year you will be getting this much. So what will be its monthly salary then? So monthly salary means here divided by 12, because 1 year there are 12 months, right? So we will divide 75,000 by 12, we will get our required answer. So 6,250 is the monthly salary. Mr. Lal was earning 14,950 per month, and he was given a salary of increment of 971.75. You see, in this question, salary amount is given, okay, per month salary is given, that is 14,950, and the boss has given increment of 971.75. okay, this increment has given to this person, to Mr. Lal. So initial salary was this much, that is 14,950. This is the increment. Now what will be the total salary then? Initial plus increment, right? When you add, you will get this one, 15921.75. That is 15,921.75 rupees, 75 paisa, right? So this is the present salary. Now what is the percentage increase? New salary minus old salary, new salary minus old salary divided by initial salary, that means old salary, okay, without increment. So when you subtract this one, we will get 971.75 divided by 14950. When you will divide this one, now how will you divide this one? 971.50, we have to divide by 14950, and we have to find percentage, so we have to multiply by 100, right? So 10 and 10 gets cancelled here. So you can, now you see this point will remove, what will get here? 1495 into 100, right? This point will remove, then 100 will be getting down into 10. So you can cancel these two zeros. Now when you divide this one, you will be getting, that is 6.5%. Okay, here what I have done, just I have divided this one, we got 0.065 into 100. So when this point will remove, that two zeros and two zeros will get cancelled, that is 6.5. Okay, so this will be the calculation. So solve the calculation by yourself, right? So we have to learn this calculation. So it's not very tough, just you remove the points, then after the point you to see that it is after how many digits? It is after here 2 digits, that means 2 zeros will be going down, and divide this first, right? So you can cancel by 5, first make it short and divide, okay? So after whatever you are getting for after division, multiply by 100, that means point will shift to 2 digits, that means in the right hand side when you are multiplying, right? When you are dividing, the point will shift to left hand side. So 6.5% is the required answer. Next question. A restaurant sold 1560 cans of juice in July 2015, but only 858 cans in August in 2015. What was the percentage fall? That means decrease in sale. So in July it was nice, that is 1560 cans of juices were sold, but in August now the sale has decreased, that means 858. So what is the percentage of that decrease in the sale? So I have written here sale in July, that is 1560 and sale in August is 858. So decrease will be initial minus final. Okay, initial sale minus final sale divided by initial. So what is the initial here? 1560, right? So when you subtract this one, what you will get here? 702 by 1560. Now you see here I have reduced by 2, that means 2 3 are 6, 1 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14, 1 2 8 are 16, and 0 as it is. So 1 0 and 1 0 got cancelled. So 351 divided by 78. Okay, so 351 when you divide by 78, then 78 4 is 312. Now when you subtract here, you will get here 39. You will put a point and we will get a 0, and 78 5 is 390. So that means this division is 4.5. If you remove this point, 10 will be coming down, 10 and 10 will be cancelled, it is 45%. Okay, so 45% is our required answer. A rectangle has a length as 20 centimeter and breadth as 12 centimeter. Okay, length and breadth of rectangle is given here. If the length is increased by 5% and the breadth is decreased by 3%, calculate increase or decrease of area. Length is given 20 and breadth is given 12 here. Okay, and says the length is increased by 5% and whereas breadth is decreased by 3%. So the final area when this length and when length is increased and breadth is decreased, okay, the final area of that rectangle is increased or decreased. Okay, this is the question. So I noted down here L 20 cm, B 12 cm, that is the initial dimension. So what will be the initial area? 20 into 12, that is 240, right? Centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter square. Now new length. What is the initial length? 20. How much it is increased? 5%. So 20 plus 5 by 100 into 20. Okay. So 520 is 100. 100 and 100 will get cancelled. What will get here? 1. So 20 plus 1, 21. Okay. So length was increased. Now breadth is decreased. As it is decreased, so it is minus. It was increased, so it was plus. Right? So decreased, how much it is decreased? 3%. That means initial was 12. 12 minus 3 by 100 into 12. 3 12 is 36. That is 12 minus 0.36. That means 36 divided by 100. Okay? 0.36. So when you subtract, you will get 11.64. So what will be the new area then? New area will be new length into new breadth. Okay? Point is removed. 100 came down. I have multiplied up. What I got here? 24444 divided by 100. Put after 2-digit point, we will get 244.44 centimeter. So you see initial it was 240, now it is 244.44. So area increased or decreased? It has increased. Okay, so this minus initial, so we will get 4.44 centimeter square or square centimeter. So these are the questions you note down in your exercise book, and I will try to solve a few questions from your exercise and make it as PDF file, and I will give in you WhatsApp. Okay, so see you soon in my next YouTube class.